Hi, this video will show you how you can log on to two of the systems that teachers are using to set work in this period of lockdown. First of all, we'll look at Show My Homework, then show you how to use SharePoint, and finally take a quick look at how to log on to your school email account. Starting with Show My Homework then. Show My Homework has changed its name recently and is now called Satchel 1. So in Google, I'm going to enter this in the search field, press return, then click on the link. Before I go any further, I ought to show you what to do if you forget your password. This is a simple process. You click the Forgot Password link here. This then sends a message to your school email address from where you can set a new password. The password must have at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. Something like welcome-01 would work. So we have our password and now we can all log in. On the first screen, check that the Student tab is highlighted. Check that the I already have an account is ticked. Enter the Bolsover School in the first field. Enter your school email address. This ends with @bolsover.derbyshire.sch.uk. And then enter your password before clicking Login.
The first area you will see is the to-do list. This is separated into two sections, issued tasks and completed tasks. For each task, we can see its title, a brief description, due date, and relevant class and subject information. Once a task is completed, we can tick it off using the box on the right-hand side. We can view completed homework tasks by clicking on the Completed tab at the top of the page. If you've made a mistake, you can simply click on a box to add it back to your issued list. From the issued list, we can click onto any task title and view more details about it. On this page, we can view a full breakdown of the task. You can see when a piece was set and when it's due, a full description of the task, and other relevant information, including how long this piece should take, how you should be submitting this piece, and resources that have been attached. For this piece, the teacher has asked for the homework to be submitted online via Show My Homework. To do this, we can click the Submit tab at the top of the page. On this page, you can use the built-in text editor to create your homework directly within Show My Homework, or you can choose to upload an existing file. You can do this by dragging a file into the relevant section or using the Upload from My Computer button. Once finished, you can use the Submit button to send it to your teacher. To monitor your progress, you can use the Gradebook feature on the left-hand menu. This page will show you a list of all of your pieces of homework. From here, you can see a piece's submission status and whether it's been graded. By clicking the Results button on the right-hand side, we can see any comments that the teacher has fed back and type in our own comments in reply. Thanks for watching this video.
Before we move on from Show My Homework or Satchel, we'll take a quick look at the account settings. Click on the link in the top left of the screen. In this section, you can add a photo to be displayed alongside your name. You can view all of your classes, and you can even add your homework to your personal calendar if you wish. If you click on My Parent Code, you will see a code that your parent or carer can use to log into their own account, allowing them to see what homework you have been set. You can also change your password in this area. You can return to the main screen by clicking the green To-Do list icon. We will now look at SharePoint. This is the URL you need to access SharePoint. Fortunately, you do not have to type all of that into your web browser. Simply go to the school's front page and below the photo, click on Access Online Resources document. Once opened, this has the URL and you can click on this and be taken to SharePoint. You may need to add your school email and the password you use to log in on your school account to take you to this screen. Click on the Documents link in the top left of the screen. This will show you all of your subjects. For example, I'm going to choose English, Year 8, A Christmas Carol, and then the first task sheet. Move your cursor over the three dots, the Show Actions link. Click this and then choose Copy To near the bottom of the list. Move your cursor to the right of the screen and click on your OneDrive. I'm going to create a new folder and call it English. Click the blue square and double click on the new folder. I can see that I'm in the English folder as it is listed above. I then click on copy here. This has saved a copy that I can use in my own OneDrive area. I then move the cursor to the 9 dots in the top left of the screen. This is the app launcher and click on this. I choose OneDrive and then double click on the English folder that was created earlier. And in this folder I can see my recently saved document. I then double click on it and it opens. You can type your answers in some of the documents that teachers have uploaded to SharePoint. In others, however, including this one, they're different. You can scroll to the bottom of the page and click outside of the box and start typing your answers if you need to. You can now share this with your teacher. Click on the share icon in the top right of the screen, enter the teacher's email address and then click send. Clicking the Learning Resources link will take you back to the main page, where you can choose your next piece of homework. Finally, we will take a look at school emails. This is the URL you need, but again, we can avoid typing it by going to the school's front page, and this time click on Show My Homework. Scroll down to page 2 and click the link at the top of the page. You need to enter Bolsover / in the domain field before entering your username. Then enter your password and click sign in. Please note, this is only relevant for those emails that end in @bolsover.derbyshire.sch.uk. What happens if you forget your password? Well, this is easily sorted. You simply contact your teacher or Mr. Paget in school and the password will be reset to password 1. You will have to change this to one of your own choosing. Hopefully now you will know how to use Show My Homework, also called Satchel, how to use SharePoint and how to log on to your school emails. Thank you for watching.